All right. Sober TV and Mray Yeshia, but in Samano Abramo. Na and Mray may pick a report to be. May pick a report to be. Na it's a semi back clear mamo. 8 hour. It appears that one way your china na yang baba yaya ewo Kotoko ene Nations FC game no. A report I mean say can say a year 60%. Because on say Kotoko 20-man squad no. Abraham Ranti and hotel no. He was spotted in the bus. But it appears that report eba said one na Abranti no late fitness test when Timiam pass it. Say 60%. And yet report ha met me a confirm West Sudia. But say Ochina Asante Kotoko Nations FC say squad neba na baba ya anymore. Don't be surprised. For now, no confirmed changes are made media man say Mamembo squad ne so ma. Na me fact confirmed changes no enwuramu emfama ye nkomodie. Goalkeepers ne de Danlad Frederick Asarna and womu ejina mu for Kotoko. Defenders Dawuni Yaya Frim ama Sharif Mohammed Ababeshim. Dawuni Yaya out, Sharif Mohammed in. NT Yusuf Nuruddin Henry Ansu, Sharif Mohammed center backs. Left backs or Sebon Sunena Benina. Now Augustine Japan. New Sebano say Morrison free mono on. Fuseni Isahaku Ababishim. So 2 right backs. Where numerate changes are about them now. 2 right backs in a Japan and Fuseni Isahaku. Play Uncle Timnum. And Dawuni Yaya Enoch Morrison Justice Blay out. Omen William. Inti Rocky Jamana Sharif Mohammed Fuseni Isahaku and Abishe Timnum. Inti say 3 changes out, 3 changes in. Na eya confirm the source the ama numere ya say baba ya 60% out of the game. Say be bians san. Because the band say players na koye 21 our camp. And for the team to call 21, it means that they suspect 1 player cannot play. In January, they free Obama them out. So Fuseni, Sharif Mohammed, Rocky Jamana the end of the Mawanopa. Omumiru na aba. Yen tuan common so. Our Selbe TV. Time both full squad ne dia. 1 Danlad, 2 Japan Asare, 3 Augustine Japan, 4 Fuseni Isahaku, 5 Nana Benyine, 6 Nicholas Osebo, 7 Dawuni Yaya, Sharif Mohammed defender. Sharif Mohammed defender, Dawuni Yaya out. Henry Ansu 8, 9 Yusuf Nuruddin, 10 Rocky Jamana, 11 Michael Che Jamana, 12 Andrew Sintimen, 13 Sharif Mohammed, 14 Richmond Lamte, 15 Richmond Opoku, 17 Bernard Somwa, 18 Peter Aqua, 19 Abranche friend George Mfege. 18 George Mfege. 19 Kalu Watara and 20 Abrantia your friend Steve Mukwala and a papaya Steris Eda papaya. And only the then Muramete Emma met 1 7 and rap the Kotoko Nations FC training and our pa near Asante Kotoko Star Man. You have a tougher at the amount. But as I never to answer, so don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Selbe TV. Don't forget to subscribe to it. Now, Nations FC training grounds. No, near my you ya near Kotoko Star Man. na your preview game no ama bibia akweyi. First thing that you observe from Nations FC training here say one omo a very young and energetic side e mrantie pa kwala pa show many mudua no na wotie nkomo na wotumu so omo susa omo nyini experience once a woman no abrantie ba akopɛ which is Prince Aqua ubetimi the manual sa called the formerly of Asante Kotoko Star Man. But even with that, Prince Aqua and ultimately said, "Wabod a heart of lions, wababo Kotoko, wakobo Ediana, wakobo Sky FC, no abandonation FC." No pana because the experience no also. More makano ayam palafa and one nation. That's the first thing you observe. And even more training or more, you know, what you realize is that Brantiano coach is running them through the basics of the game. Also, there were even some players now coach Efeno Kansimingo even how to control the ball and position themselves. And nothing as we team interview Kennedy, watching aside and almost say almost target for the season a survivor because they appreciate the fact that Brantiano Susa I feel a coach nature man into Kennedy or say the coach is now teaching them the game so they will have time and patience for the coach, which is Kasim Mengo and your friend Johnson Smith. John squad. Now the second thing is that they lack maturity. Mechanical nations for team no mo show mo kwada yawada and a mianka samko show mo fiadano. Now reporter na me reporters no me team ne dia banja say omo maturity no form and omo ni what we call team cohesion. On say team nations team no omo free division 1 bar Premier League about 60% of the players omo jomo kwan. And omo akofa for fraba. In less than 3 months in tias yes mrantie ni nya omo no omo nyae. Team say the pattern of play, no, the understanding, no, a bit suspect. This is what I've seen. Into matured. And again, team cohesion in the whole, which is the second thing I witnessed when I paid a visit to Nations FC. Now, Kasim Mengo also made records against Kotoko Nations. Say Kasim Mengo records against Asante Kotoko no. Now Kotoko Ntimi share Kasim Mengo ewo onuni ho. But from what I witnessed at the training grounds, that Kasim Mengo Bechem United team ne enye nu bi na nations. Because say Obobo na Abdul Kasim Rasa ejene finfin. Francis Chene ejene finfin. Obenya kwesi kwenu so musu jine finfin na Collins Diodu edaha that young boy oye na juma na wanya Emmanuel Avenyo na bia Hafiz Koko ni denim wanya Kofi Akpesima Aaron Osemo no mu wo team nu a Abdullahi Idrisu Otu kwan goalkeeper. This is a matured Bechem United side and then Kasim the Nejuma. But our nations no more matured. So onyanya element no out that ability to cause havoc. Once I got Konya Diana and betray the strength of a Diana, but nations team na make the no. So this is not a scary side. Mechanical. Nations team na me hu ye no wo mo hu nyehu sa na chena metin aka kire say goals every flow game no pay. That is what I can tell you. So that record ana Kasim Mengo wo ana one Kotoko ba o ma Kotoko 12 time one ni home no. This side under no circumstance can you compare this Nations FC side to that Bechem United side of Coach Efene Kasim Mengo. Now the other thing I mean here is Nations for Brazilian player. Your friend Dos Santos Silva, left-footed player. Koya Brantia, Mimon say he's the best player in the Nations F system. Left-footed. And it was a Diana coach in Echilomono or down some Brantianum. What I say? When he coach in Echilomono more practice here, wouldn't so no executing here. So I made some inquiries to find out whether he can play. Now what I realized is that there are issues with his work permit. That was what I was told. So the Brazilian International of Nations FC cannot participate in tomorrow's game. And Dos Santos Silva and Nations FC Kofa and own team Boboni, and to me, he's one of the best players, if not the best players. I'm witnessing our Nations team. No. The last thing I'm witnessing any say Kasim Mengo person and the ball net to form. He want them to play the game. So and now to say constantly he was reminding the boys that let the ball touch the turf. Tina question is now busy and say passing football you been one. So from my expectations watching Nations FC and watching Asante Kotoko, I can tell everybody say ball no two teams need na the better form. I'm a game not flow a bear part to part, no more pop. But this is what I can tell you about the Nations F system. Their best defender, Razak, Razak Alasa, I hope a fair colored guy, the Ofriwafa. In their midfield, Emmanuel Sarko there, na wenya Prince Aqua. Na attack no, Richard Danso, formerly of West African Football Academy and Adriana on also and Emmanuel Ajimai on also a very stubborn chap but dying tikakra but I know training one not bench to ask whether he's fit or not because in the Nations for now training to me or my train and pay just whether he's fit or not is another story but players to watch out Razak fair colored a defender no Sarko so from how he was playing in the form of Hopper. Prince Aqua is the controller in midfield for a year Nations FC. And you talk about Emmanuel Ajimai and a branch a friend a year a more manucho guy Bakubi. But I don't know talented Bakakra and a branch a friend Richard Down. So that's what I can tell you about Nations FC. From my observations, this will be a match of goals. A very match. I'm expecting more than 3 goals. Nations team na me hu ye no. And the Kotoko team na ya no pay no. I'm expecting more than 3 goals. On the part of Asante Kotoko, this is the possible lineup. I met me the amount. You have Dala Augustine Japan, Nana Benyini, I believe will start based on the Kotoko training grounds. No so cheating no out me hu ye. So based on my possible 11, I believe Nana Benyini will start. Then Henry Ansu, Yusuf Nuruddin, Andrews Intimenu, together with Sharif Mohammed Richmond Lamte. That midfield no coach Nibe Kipu Ede Amame. Bernard Somwa, George Infege. Peter Aqua rather. Peter Aqua, George Infege, na Kalu Atara, early the attack. This is the Asante Kotoko possible 11. So, Dala Ibrahim Augustine Japan, Nana Benyini, Henry Ansu, Yusuf Nuruddin, Sharif Mohammed Andrews Intimenu, Richmond Lamte, Peter Aqua, George Infege, and Abrantia, your friend, the final guy, no, Abrantia, your friend, Kalu Watara. This is Asante Kotoko's possible 11, and this is what I can tell you from my observations. Training grounds I call the meeting of both teams, no, the Aqua who I had the April. Yaramasi Bibi, Yami Admochina, Ibisia, Baba.